This video will cover the registrant self-cancellation feature in Event Wizard. After creating your event, you can set up the option for users to cancel themselves. When self-cancellation is used with your event, it will allow your registrants to cancel themselves from your event if they can no longer attend. To access the self-cancellation setup, head to your event properties from the Build, Design Your Form and Website section of your event's task list and click Edit Manage Registrant Self-Cancellation. To enable self-cancellation, you will simply check off the box, Allow registrants to cancel themselves. Next, set the last date in which registrants can cancel themselves. We suggest allowing at least 1 week between your event and the date registrants can cancel themselves. This gives you time to finalize your attendee numbers before your event without the risk of anyone self-canceling afterwards. Next, set the cancellation fee for your event. This can be applied as a set dollar amount or a percentage of the original registration fee. Cancellation fees are not charged when the registrant self-cancels themselves. Rather, the fee is retained when the registrant refund is processed. If you are using your own e-commerce gateway, you will need to manually refund the remaining money from your e-commerce gateway account. If you are using the Event Wizard e-commerce gateway, we will take care of this step for you. No matter what type of gateway you are using, you will receive an email notification when a registrant self-cancels, alerting you to the fact that a registrant has canceled. The next step is to set the date in which the cancellation fee will begin to apply. Lastly, if you need to charge tax on top of the cancellation fee, you can check off the appropriate tax box here. Once the setup is complete, click Save. Now let's see how self-cancellation works from a registrant's perspective. First, we will start with how your email confirmation should be set up so that your registrants have the ability to log back into their registration and cancel if needed. When you set up your confirmation email, you will need to add a merge tag that will embed a link to each registrant's personal confirmation page. Once on the confirmation page, the registrant can then cancel their registration on their own. To add the merge tag to your email, click the Insert System Merge Tag drop-down list in the email editor and select the merge tag called Payment Link. Fill in the information in between the two sets of brackets. For example, you could write, "To cancel your registration, click here." This will add a personal link to each email. When the link is clicked, the registrant will be taken back to their confirmation page. Once you have set up the remainder of your email text, make sure to save it before exiting the page. This takes care of the email. Now let's set up the thank you page. The thank you page, or confirmation page as it is sometimes called, is the page the registrant will see after they submit their registration form. This is also the page the registrant will see when they click the email link you have just set up using the Payment Link merge tag. At the top of each thank you page there is a space for text. This section of your Edit menu allows you to input that custom text. This is the perfect spot to communicate to your registrants how to cancel themselves if needed. If we open up a registrant's confirmation page as an example, we can see there is a small icon with a red X through it. This is the icon a registrant would click to cancel themselves. Going back to the editor, let's input some text that both confirms the registrant has submitted their form and explains how to cancel themselves. Now that we have the thank you page text added, let's assume we were a registrant and click through the self-cancellation steps. Once the registrant clicks the cancel icon, a pop-up will appear asking them to confirm they would like to cancel. Once they click OK, the record is canceled and the registrant will be shown a copy of their canceled confirmation page. At this point, you will receive an email alert that a registrant has canceled themselves. The canceled record will move to one of two areas depending on whether there is a registration fee associated with it. If there is no registration fee associated with the record, it will automatically be moved from your event's registration report to your canceled report. If there is a registration fee attached to it, it will move to the pending cancellation report until the administrator completes the cancellation. If there is money owing to the registrant and you are processing payments through your own gateway, you will need to refund the money manually through your own gateway. Head over to your reports and click on the Credits Due report. Here you will see the registrant that has canceled themselves with a credit owing to them. If you are using your own e-commerce gateway to process payments, you will need to log into your gateway separately and refund the amount owing to the registrant. Then, go back to Event Wizard and click the Record Payment icon in the toolset next to the registrant's name. In the Record Payment section, enter the amount as a refund and add any notes that you would like saved to the record. If you would like a copy of your payment confirmation to be sent to the registrant, check the box off, then click Record Payment, and you're done. If you are processing payments using the Event Wizard e-commerce gateway, the refund will be processed on your behalf, and the registrant's record will be updated to reflect the refund. If you have any questions about the self-cancellation feature, please contact us through the support ticket system in your account.